Forward-facing car seats should always be installed with the tether. Look behind the vehicle seat for the tether anchor. The tether anchor might be on the back surface of the seat, or on the shelf behind the head restraint, or on the floor or ceiling of the cargo area. You may find a tether anchor symbol near the tether anchor, and you will always find details in the vehicle owner's manual. The tether can be found at the top of the car seat. It should route behind the vehicle seat. Follow car seat and vehicle manufacturer instructions for routing. Attach the tether hook and tighten. The tether prevents the top of the forward-facing car seat from tipping forward in a crash. Studies show that tethers reduce head movement by 4 to 6 inches. Depending on how much space is available in the vehicle, the tether can prevent head contact against the front row seat. This reduces the risk of head and neck injuries.